This is a covered call and it's making you lose money. And I'm going to show you why it didn't work for me. Today is my bi-weekly update where we take a deep dive into my portfolio. This is the Crazy Canuck Investor, a beginner channel designed to share my investing journey and all the lessons that I learn along the way. So let's jump into things.
My Wealthsimple trade account is up to $127,795. My Wealthsimple cash account is up to $40,218, and I've earned $103.26 this month in interest. Our kids' RESP is up to $55,518. In an upcoming video, I'll break down how the robo-advisor is picking ETFs so you can all see what's going on inside this account. My RRSP is up to $15,569. Let's break that down to CAD and USD. In my RRSP, I currently have $11,565 in Canadian funds, and I currently have $3,012 in USD funds. Since my last update, I've received a number of dividends. EIT paid out $8.30, Plaza REIT paid out 19 cents, Car UN paid out 60 cents, and Manulife paid out $6.57. So let's jump into my tax-free savings account and get on to some trading for this week. As of today, we have $728.69 to trade with. We're going to do a couple of things to increase that amount by giving the boot to one of the covered calls, and we're going to top that up with a little bit more money. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to give HDIF the boot for my TFSA. We're going to sell off all the shares, so let's jump right into that. We currently have 61 shares, so we're going to sell them all. Now we have $1,216.08 to trade with, and I'm going to top that up with a little bit more. With the magic of YouTube, we now have $1,391.08 to trade with. Okay, so the first stock we're going to buy is VFV. And we're going to buy 9 shares of VFV. Now, I really wanted to buy some more BAM this week, but BAM has been on an absolute tear, and it's up 19% this week. But my TELUS shares are down a bit, so we're going to jump in and buy some of that. So we're going to buy 12 shares of TELUS. We have $103.27 left to trade with. The last thing we're going to buy is VRE, which is a REIT ETF. So it's basically a basket of a whole bunch of REITs. And we have $13.87 left. So we're just going to make a fractional buy of QQC, which invests in the NASDAQ 100, which has been part of my strategy, is just to put the remaining little bit left in my account as a fractional buy. I'd like to give a special shout out to one of my viewers, Jeffrey Oram, and I hope I pronounced that right, Jeff. Thanks for using my referral link for Wealthsimple. If you're interested, check out the comments section below. Okay, here we are in the Blossom Pro app. We're going to get a quick overview of all the dividends that we've made. So we start at the top. We're looking for our dividend goal. I've set that at $2,000 annually, and currently it's projecting that we're going to make $1,591 for the year. So far this year, we're making 18 cents an hour, $4.36 per day, and $132 per month. Down here, we'll start off with the graph, and it shows, when I started way back in April, and I was making diddly squat, and I love the ladder effect leading up to this month for December, which is my biggest month. So thus far this month, up to $172. And then a little bit further down, we can look at the dividend income, and it's telling me that for the year in total, I've made $821.19. And if you jump inside it, it'll break it down per holding, which one is bringing in how much. And then lastly, if we scroll down, it shows you your dividend forecast, meaning what you'll see towards the end of the year for your dividends. And that's currently forecasting $1,591. I'm not here to tell you that investing in a covered call is a bad way to invest. What I am here to tell you is that for me right now, with my goals and my strategy, it's not working right now. My time horizon is about 10 to 15 years before I'm at the point where I'm going to actually have to start drawing down on this money. At that point, a covered call may work for me. For right now, I want to look at a little bit of growth and a little bit of dividend stocks.
And if you're not too sure how that works, you can look at this video here to look at some different dividend stocks.